Hey TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Here we have an Amazon bedroom haul. Let's see how it turned out. I think you guys gonna love it. I know I do. It's so cool. This is how the bedroom looked before. As you see, it needed a much needed upgrade. But here we are with the new and improved bedroom. Yes, I have my infrared lights. I'll talk about that in another video. But yes, as you see, the bedroom has been completely upgraded and it turned out amazing. So amazing. Now let's see it in the dark. Oh yeah. Look at this. I mean, if this ain't a vibe, tell me this ain't a vibe. Like smooth chilling in the bedroom. I swear. I believe in making your space your place, you know? So yes, this is the new upgraded edition from Amazon with my bedroom. The dressers came from Amazon and the other little tidbits you see around the room came from Temu, of course. The bookshelf came from Amazon as well. And as you see, my